everyone! I hope you're all doing great and enjoying your summer. More importantly, I hope you're finding a way to make money without spending your entire day staring at charts. And that's actually become my goal lately. I've already posted a couple of videos about Pocket Robot, the trading bot I've been using. At this point, I'm not even testing it anymore. It's become part of my daily routine because it saves me so much time and it's helped me to make money, and it's more easy than ask your favorite AI like ChatGPT thought your breakfast. As always, all the links are in the description. And now let's jump into the bot. As usually, we will start with settings, but I already have my own settings. You can check my first videos if you want to see, but actually even automatical settings here is good. Now, what this bot doing is just scalp the market with AI, using all the famous indicators and make the smart decision about signals and pair. So we will pick the bearish signal with Euro USD, and we already start the trade. Minus $5, plus 5. As you can see, he using martingale. He like multiplicators to make this trade without risk. Well, first profit, congratulations, almost $15 for a couple of seconds. Let's analyze the market again, and you can see that we can also trade on crypto here. Ethereum USD for $5. Let's do it. The bot fully synchronized with the Pocket option, your main account, all the money on your account, the bot not using, it's not keep the money on its own account or something like this. Basically, you just use your own Pocket option account. This bot just help you. Now help me to make $14 extra. Let's do next, analyze the market. Euro USD, very famous pair. Win rate about 77%, which sounds good. If me tired, I will not make this kind of percent. And let's do better signal. Let's start with $10 now. Let's start with $10. Guys, use your money management, use your brain. Always think how much budget you have. If you have $100, trade for $1-2. It's okay, because you will use martingale and you will finally can come to like maybe $20-30 trade. So basically, just check more video of mine, as you can see. But usually it's about 5-6 trades, sometimes with martingale to 3-4 levels. Well, just think properly. Well, I want to... Yeah, what do you think? Ethereum USD again? Win rate 77%. Well, why not? Let's say that it's one of the best signal for now. Better signal, let's do it. Well, again, I think 10. Yeah. Well, what I can say, it saved me so much time. I can go, walking, gym. I can go drink some wine if I like, and just put a couple of stations in a day. That's it. I mean, now see, $100 plus. So it's covered the losses because of martingale, and it's give you a plus in the end. Another 10, another profit. Almost $32 just for now. Well, let's do next. Let's analyze the market. I think I will make some crazy move now till the end. Australian dollar USD, which is not bad, which is kind of interesting. Quite popular pair actually for this bot. He knows something, maybe? Or it know? I don't know how to say right. Okay, let's do $20. As you can see, it said, man, be careful. $20 is a big amount. I'm ready. I have almost 3K on my account, so for my content, I will do it. Minus 20, minus 46, plus 202. Yeah, that's good feeling. Okay, another plus. It's fully synchronized. As you can see, I also will show to this video how it's work with the pocket option in real time, and on my screen you already see that's how it's work, guys. That's how it's work. Let's make money, let's not spend time. It's better to invest this time for yourself. So today's results is pretty impressive, no? We made almost $170 in less than 5 minutes, guys. If you want to try Pocket Robot yourself, you'll find all the links in the pinned comment. Also, let me know in the comment if you're already tested it and how your results are going. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, join my Telegram community, and as always, stay smart, stay sharp, and make money and enjoy your life. Life is good.